Every Canadian football jersey begins as simple raw materials before becoming elite sportswear. It all starts with polyester pellets, the foundation of today's lightweight performance football jerseys. The polyester melts under intense heat before tiny spinnerets create thousands of ultra-fine fibers. Those fibers are stretched carefully, dramatically increasing strength, durability, flexibility, and long-term performance. The finished fibers are spun into durable yarn, producing thousands of cones every single day. Next, computerized knitting machines transform yarn into breathable, lightweight, flexible sports fabric continuously. Factories knit single jersey, rib, or interlock fabrics, depending on comfort and performance needs. Many Canadian jerseys now use recycled polyester, made from discarded plastic bottles for sustainability. Design engineers begin creating the jersey digitally, using advanced computer-aided design software. Every measurement, logo position, and color specification is documented inside a detailed technical package. Engineers grade every pattern, ensuring identical proportions across every jersey size produced. The complete artwork is carefully positioned before entering the digital printing production stage. Industrial printers apply ecological inks onto transfer paper with exceptional color precision and detail.
Extreme heat transforms ink into gas, permanently bonding colors deep inside polyester fibers.
The permanent design never cracks, peels, or fades during intense football competition or washing. Computer-controlled cutting machines produce perfectly identical jersey panels with incredible manufacturing accuracy. Laser cutting seals fabric edges instantly, preventing unwanted fraying throughout years of regular use. Each cut component is sorted carefully before moving toward professional assembly and stitching stations. Experienced operators begin joining every panel using specialized industrial sewing machines for precision. Flat lock stitching creates smooth seams that feel comfortable against athletes' skin during every match. Overlock stitching strengthens every seam while preventing unraveling throughout demanding professional football seasons.
Collars, sleeve trims, and finishing details are added with exceptional manufacturing accuracy and care.
Care labels, branding tags, and identification details complete each authentic Canadian football jersey perfectly.
Every jersey receives detailed visual inspections for stains, print flaws, and alignment accuracy before approval.
Precise measurements confirm every finished jersey matches official manufacturing size specifications exactly every time. Additional testing verifies seam strength, flexibility, durability, and long-lasting athletic performance under demanding conditions.
Approved jerseys are professionally steamed, ensuring a flawless appearance before final packaging begins immediately.
Each jersey is folded neatly, packaged securely, and prepared carefully for worldwide customer distribution. Finished jerseys enter distribution warehouses before beginning their journey to fans across the globe. Global logistics networks deliver Canadian football jerseys efficiently to retailers, clubs, and passionate supporters worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.